Are you frustrated because your WordPress post just won't save, no matter how many times you hit that button? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the quickest and easiest ways to fix the WordPress post save button when it stops working. Best of all, you won't need any tech skills, just a few simple steps. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get back to creating and publishing with confidence. Let's dive right in with some quick fixes that almost always solve the problem. First, clear your browser cache and cookies. It sounds trivial, but old data like cached files and cookies can block changes in WordPress and sometimes break crucial buttons like save. To do this, just go to your browser settings, look for clear browsing data, and select cache and cookies. Then close and reopen your WordPress post. This is like giving your browser a fresh start, letting it load the latest information without getting confused by leftovers. If that doesn't do the trick, try opening your post in incognito or private mode. You can usually do this by hitting Ctrl+Shift+N or CMD+Shift+N depending on your operating system. Incognito mode disables most of your extensions and temporary data, so you'll see if the problem is related to your everyday browsing setup. It's a quick test to see if something in your typical environment is interfering. Still not working? Open the post in a different browser altogether. Try Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari, whichever you haven't been using. Sometimes a glitch, update, or incompatibility in one browser can mess with how WordPress runs, while another browser works perfectly fine. Switching browsers gives you a fresh perspective and helps narrow down where the issue is really hiding. Now, since browser add-ons and extensions can interfere with how web apps function, including WordPress, let's temporarily turn them off. Most browsers have a quick toggle or extensions menu where you can disable them. Don't worry, this won't uninstall anything, it just pauses the extra features for a bit. Refresh your WordPress post and try saving again. Sometimes something as simple as a password manager or ad blocker can block a critical WordPress script from running. If you've tried all these and the save button is still stubborn, let's step it up a notch. These next steps require a bit more access to your site, but still no coding, just simple clicks. Start by deactivating all your plugins. Head to Plugins, Installed Plugins, select all the checkboxes, then choose Deactivate from the Bulk Actions dropdown. Confirm and check if your WordPress post can be saved now. If it suddenly works, that means a plugin is causing a conflict. To figure out which one, reactivate your plugins one at a time and test saving each time until the problem returns. A little like detective work, patience pays off here. Next, switch your theme to a default WordPress option like 2024. Go to Appearance Themes and activate the default. Themes can sometimes introduce features or scripts that don't play nicely with WordPress updates. If switching themes makes the save button work, you'll know your original theme is likely the culprit. If you use a caching plugin, such as WP Super Cache or W3 Total Cache, clear the cache. These plugins store copies of your site to speed things up, but occasionally they hang onto old data that interrupts new changes. Clear not only your WordPress cache, but also any server-side or CDN cache you use. Think of it as clearing the cobwebs for a cleaner workspace. Finally, double-check that WordPress itself, along with all your plugins and themes, are updated to their latest versions. Outdated software is one of the most common reasons for weird behavior like unresponsive buttons. Updates often fix these glitches, so be sure everything's running the newest release. Alright, I hope these steps help you get your WordPress post save button working again, fast and frustration-free. If this guide helped, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into something tricky, leave a comment below. I always check and I'm happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy blogging.